Imagination opens the path. A disciple asks, "What is the function, the use of the imagination?" And the mother responds, "If one knows how to use it, as I said, one can create for oneself his own inner and outer life. One can build his own existence with his imagination, if one knows how to use it and has a power. In fact, it is an elementary way of creating, of forming things in the world. I have always felt that if one didn't have the capacity of imagination, he would not make any progress. Your imagination always goes ahead of your life. When you think to yourself, usually you imagine what you want to be, don't you? And this goes ahead. Then you follow. Then it continues to go ahead and you follow. Imagination opens for you the path of realization. People who are not imaginative, it is very difficult to make them move. They see just what is before their nose. They feel just what they are moment by moment, and they cannot go forward because they are clamped by the immediate thing." From the Mother, Questions and Answers, 1955.